If you've ever been lost in the sea of pneumatic sanders, wondering which one is worth your money, you're in the right place. Today, we're ranking 5 popular models from the weakest to the absolute best, so you can make the right choice without the headache. Kicking off our list at the bottom, we have the ZFE. It's got the flexibility of both 5-inch and 6-inch pads, which is nice if you want options, and it even throws in a dust collection system, which is rare in the budget category. Feature-wise, this is a well-equipped tool. It comes with a huge accessory kit, adjustable speed, and durable steel internals. Compared to other sanders, it feels like you're getting a lot for the money, at least on paper. But here's the catch. This thing is heavier than most in its class, and it drinks air at a higher rate, so you'll need a beefier compressor to keep it running. Over long sessions, that weight can start to wear you down compared to lighter models on this list. If you don't mind the weight and already have a strong air compressor, this could still be a solid choice for mixed pads. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products from today's review at the best price down in the description. In 4th place, the RYCUBRE might not have the flashiest name, but it's got a lot going for it. Its air efficiency is outstanding, so even smaller compressors can handle it, and the speed is on par with some of the best here. The build is solid with a high-quality steel core and a comfortable grip. It's also got adjustable speed control, making it easy to adapt whether you're polishing or removing stubborn material. Compared to the ZFE, it's lighter, faster, and far more air-friendly. The downside, it doesn't come with dust collection, and all the specs are based on the manufacturer's listing without much third-party verification. If you need proven reliability, that's a bit of a gamble. If you want a lightweight, efficient, and comfortable sander for long sessions, this is a good step up from the ZFE. And before we move on, if you're enjoying this breakdown, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future reviews. Next up is the UPWOOD, a small but mighty mini sander designed for detail work. This thing is incredibly lightweight and has the highest speed of the bunch, making it ideal for precision jobs where bigger sanders can't reach. Its compact size and multiple pad options make it a versatile tool in the right hands. If you're working on furniture, car detailing, or tight spaces, this is a big upgrade over bulkier models. The trade-off is obvious. You won't be covering large surfaces efficiently. The Orbit is tiny and it's not built for heavy material removal. If you're expecting it to perform like a full-size sander, you'll be disappointed. But if you need a precision tool that's comfortable for long periods and can get into tight spots, this one deserves a place in your toolkit. In 2nd place, the DEWALT hits the sweet spot between power and comfort. It's got that classic DEWALT durability, a cushioned grip, and variable control, making it a pleasure to use. This sander is efficient on air, runs smooth, and feels solid in hand. The stick-on pad makes abrasive quick changes, and at 12,000 RPM, it can tackle most jobs without breaking a sweat. Its main drawback is the lack of dust collection, and the Orbit is on the smaller side, so it's not as aggressive as some others here. But it's still an excellent choice for most woodworking and automotive jobs. If you want a reliable all-rounder that can handle daily use, this DEWALT is a solid bet. Finally, taking the top spot, the Ingersoll Rand 300G is the best all-rounder performer in this list. It's vacuum ready right out of the box, which means cleaner work and less mess to deal with, and it's built for serious sustained use. The ergonomics are spot on, it's lightweight, and it produces low vibration, making it perfect for long sanding sessions. The 360-degree swivel vacuum adapter is a nice touch that adds to its maneuverability. Yes, it has high air consumption, so you'll need a capable compressor, but that's the trade-off for the performance and dust control it offers. If you're looking for a professional-grade sander that can handle it all and keep your workspace cleaner, this is the one to beat. There you have it, 5 pneumatic sanders ranked from weakest to best. You can check out the top picks from today's list using the links in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss our next review.